Hey there, potential home buyers looking for a first time buyer program in Southern California. Welcome. My name is Teresa Timms, president of TDR Mortgage and Real Estate Group, a firm that specializes in home loans for first time buyers. I want to share with you the updated rates and information that we have for you on the CalHFA program. The program is California Housing and Finance Authority First Time Buyer Program, where we combine a FHA first, a second, and a third to get you in with the least amount of money possible. I've been doing CalHFA loans since 1998. It's my favorite first time buyer product because they do not run out of money. I know them like the back of my hand. We have a long relationship. As such, we can just pick up the phone and call up there and talk to people. And if there's a question that we have about somebody that may make a little bit too much money or any program guideline, we can get answers instantly. We're closing these loans in 30 days or less. So let us help you today. So let's get started. In San Bernardino and Riverside County, the maximum sales price that you can go on FHA is the $446,891. So let's just say $446 and call it a day. In LA and Orange County, you can purchase up to a 501 sales price. Let's say $500,000. So it's a really great opportunity, and there is a lot of stuff in the Inland Empire at this 446, and there are a lot of condo opportunities at that 500,000 max price. The biggest news for CalHFA loans is they just increased the credit score from 660 to 680. Let's get started on the rates. So you'll see here that, let me move my picture thing over a little bit. It's not moving over. So the CalHFA buyer program is 4.5. Regular FHA is 3.375. FHA, where we give closing costs, is at 4.5%. On the regular CalHFA, you can get in a 446 price if the seller pays 5,000 closing costs for only $3,000, putting the payment around 31. If you notice, the CalHFA and the FHA, where we pay the buyer cost, is 31. Let's break down what the difference in this is. So regular FHA, where we pay closing costs, you come in with about 17 grand. This loan is eligible for an FHA Streamline refinance. We're doing FHA Streamlines at 3.5 right now, or 3.3, as you can see. So 6 months after getting into this house, if rates remain the same, I'm going to just drop you down on a no-cost loan into this 3.3 rate. The CalHFA, you're going to get in with $3,000. Seller's paying $5,000. These loans are just more expensive. They just are. We could, spend an hour dissecting why. They're just more expensive. It's a buyer program where you can get in with $3,000 versus all of this money down here. So the way you get in with this small amount of money is you have a silent second at 3% interest and a silent third at 0 interest. So you have a first, a second, and third. When you sell or refinance, you will have to pay off this $28,000. Refinance. So if you cannot streamline this loan like you can this loan because you owe this $28,000. So that's kind of the downfall of the CalHFA loan. The great part about it is if you do not have this kind of cash laying around, you can be a homeowner. So if that's a value to you to be a homeowner, and I don't know any instance when it is not a value to be a homeowner unless maybe you think you're going to lose your job or something. So these are all great opportunities. The regular FHA, it's pretty incredible that the interest rates are at 3.375. It's kind of interesting that, the last couple of weeks, this CalHFA loan was at 3.6. So all of a sudden, CalHFA raised the rates pretty considerably, even though FHA has been trending downward. So I'm not sure why they do what they do, but there is a huge opportunity here to be a homeowner. So when you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance in Southern California, pick up the phone and give me a call at 909-920-3500. And if your goal is to own a home and you're a first-time buyer, Or even if you're not a first time buyer, if you just haven't owned a home in the last 3 years, you qualify for this great program. So you give us a call too. I can't wait to hear from you. Looking forward to it. Just looking for that off button.